Hey everyone, Samuel here. We're from the floor at HIMSS 24. I'm with Kirk Sievers, one of the sales engineers at Dynatrace. Kirk, how's the show been for you so far?
The show has been great. We're here in the Federal Pavilion. We're getting a lot of good traffic, people coming through, asking us questions about our solution. It's been really good.
And I know people may or may not know this, but the government, the military, the three-letter agencies, they're one of the largest healthcare providers in our country. They serve a lot of the men and women who have served our country.
Yes.
So very large, very good to have the federal government presence. But you guys are doing some interesting things on helping to improve some of the user experience and application and network performance. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so a lot of what we're doing is our solution is looking to understand what the users are experiencing as they go around and as they interact with the different websites. It's collecting all of that information, putting that information together with code level visibility into the applications, tracing it all the way down to interactions with databases, all of that, providing all of that information so that when there is something that's not right, our AI will detect that something isn't right someplace in the path, put all of those parts together, supply all of that to the support staff so that the support staff has the ability to go in and see right away what the problem is without calling in 15 different groups to try to figure out what's going on.
Yeah, so now you're not looking through log files or SMTP captures or things like that to try and find that one break in the linkage somewhere.
Yes,
you guys are just populating that automatically.
Yeah, exactly. If it's an application problem, we'll tell you it's a problem with this particular application, with this code within the application, so you can have your developers go in and address it. If it's a database problem, maybe a database performance problem, you can talk to the DBAs, and it just allows you to get to solving the problem so much faster, because we're giving you all of the information so you don't have to go looking for it.
It's all about the experience that your users are having. They don't care how the network works. The users only care about when they click open, the application opens in a fast time so they can get their work done.
Yeah, the users are expecting anytime they go to a website, then they're going to have the same experience, whether it is a work website, whether it's a government website, whether it's their banking website, whatever it is. They're all expecting everything to just work and work right. And so we are all about getting all of the information together so that if something isn't working right, you can address it quickly. And in most cases, we'll tell you you're having problems with your application before your users start reaching out to you to let you know that you're having a problem.
And that's always a better spot to be, being proactive about the issue instead of having to hear about it and then support tickets and all that kind of stuff.
Exactly.
So what are customers talking with you guys about? We're in the Federal Government Pavilion, a lot of great service members that are here. What are they having conversations with you guys about?
They're having conversations with us about the need for having something that does all of this that is super simple to do. They run into challenges when developers implement new things, and the developers might not let the monitoring team know about it. Because our solution has an agent installed locally, it automatically detects those changes, so there's no additional configuration, there's no blind spots. So that is something that's really huge. Obviously, something else that's really big is AI, right? Everyone has AI somewhere in their product. We've actually had AI in our product for over 10 years. It was built from the ground up with AI because the intention was that our solution was going to be consuming so much information that it would be too much for people to just consume themselves.
Very true.
Right? So with all of that information we're consuming and it automatically understanding what's connected to what, we're able to put all of that information together, to create a single problem card that says, you're having this problem, this is where it is, go look here. And then obviously doing things like interfacing with ticketing systems and letting people know through whatever the communications channel is that they have a problem.
Well, that's fantastic. It's something that is very practical for the delivery of the digital tools now that healthcare really, really relies on.
Yeah.
So thanks for taking this time with us, Kirk. And that's all for now.